You can taste everything. It's good as hell.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another segment of cooking for Bay. Today I'll be making some short ribs, so let's get started. You're gonna need some cilantro, some scallions, some thyme, a chili pepper, lime juice, and some onion. You want to put that all down into your mixer or blender, whichever one you have available, and we're gonna blitz this. This is basically what I'm gonna use to marinate the short ribs. I'm also gonna add down in here, there you go, you got to cut them in half just to get it to be, easier for the machine. Add your lemon juice down in there and get it going. I love this marinade. It's going to be so good. You can use it on any meat. I'm also going to put down in here some of my seasoning, Spicy Girl, and some salt. But of course, you guys, you can season this however you want to. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to marinate it in the fridge for about 6 hours, but obviously it's going to be way better if you do it overnight. So yeah. Next, I'm going to move on to dessert. I have some half-dead bananas left over, and I decided to make a banana bread or cake, whatever you want to call it. So first, you want to start mashing your bananas, mash them. You want to add some melted butter. This recipe is just for a small cake, you guys. So if you want, you could double and triple. You're going to add your egg down in there and vanilla. Basically, I just wanted to make this. I wanted to make something else, but I had bananas and they were going out, so I had to just use them. And some flour, your sugar. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. I just added some cinnamon. That's my salt and my baking powder. Of course, you want to grate down in there your nutmeg, fresh nutmeg, and just mix it gently, just like how I'm doing right now. And yeah. Y'all, this short rib recipe is so easy and simple. All you're going to be doing is pouring things into a pot. You can also do this in a crock pot. You could do this in the oven. Same technique. You want to sear off your meat just quite a bit, not on too high of a heat because you do have that little marinade on there. And you want to sear it on both sides, so maybe 3 to 4 minutes per side. Next, I'm going to pour a whole can of broth. You can use chicken broth or vegetable broth right down in there. Like I said, all you're doing is pouring. Next, you want to add your favorite barbecue sauce. Okay, add your favorite barbecue sauce, and that's it. That's it. You're going to cover it and let it cook until nice and tender. After an hour, I added some onions. Now I'm going to cover it and let it continue cooking for another 45 minutes. This is the side that I'm using. You can use whatever side you want to, but I'm using cauliflower rice. And all I do is saute it down in some butter and just a little salt and pepper or just some seasoning. You don't need to do much to it. It's just vegetables. But you could put this with rice, mashed potatoes, bread, salad. You could eat beef with whatever, child. I just saute it down and that's pretty much it. Done. This is what my banana bread looks like straight out the oven. Now, let's work on the glaze for the banana bread. So I have cream cheese, cinnamon, vanilla, powdered sugar, milk. Now I'm going to add a little bit of maple syrup to give it that extra So now you're just going to smear it all over your cake and that's it. You're done. That's it. Simple, easy, finito.
all done, all good. As you can see, only the bone left. As usual. There was a hint of spice in it from the marinade earlier. I love it. Okay. You sure what you're working with here? Okay.
Oh, I didn't even tell you. Oh, it's banana bread or cake and with maple cream cheese glaze.
You can taste everything. It's good as hell.
Thanks.